Good morning, everybody. It's the 25th of May, and if you can't tell, I overslept a little. But that's not going to stop me from getting after these Pennsylvania longbeards. I gotta fuel up though a little bit on some coffee, and we're just going to get back here and kind of hunt this bird like a deer. We're going to set a decoy up and sit on it. See what happens this morning. We got to the hunting shanty up here, and obviously I haven't heard any gobbles or anything. I let off some yelps as soon as I got up here, and didn't hear anything, but I can hear a whole bunch of cows. We're just gonna hang out here till we have to go. I put a Jake decoy out here in the food plot. I know there's been turkeys out here quite a bit, so we're just gonna kind of see what happens here. Looking for that last Pennsylvania longbeard. It's kind of nice in here. I don't have to worry about getting hammered by mosquitoes. And it's always stuff to watch up here between the deer and the woodchucks and the turkey and pigeons and you name it. You get to see a lot of critters up here, so it's kind of fun to sit in here. Not really my favorite way to turkey hunt, but this is how we're doing it, so we'll see. Oh, I just saw a Jake over in that green field cutting around the edge of the field, so he might end up over here, I don't know. Got a bunch of cows over here making all kinds of racket. Oh, we just had a little Jake come out to the food plot out here and seen the decoy and was all nervous about it. I think it was kind of a pansy. Didn't want anything to do with that Jake decoy, so looked like he just kind of moseyed back into the woods over there. But better than nothing. Maybe the longbeard will be next, and maybe he won't be a pansy. We'll see. Right to the dome. That thing totally caught me off guard. I'm watching over to the right where they normally come out of the woods, where I'd seen that Jake. Next thing you know, I heard right by this tractor. That bird was standing right by the tractor. And I peeked up over. He walked right up the freaking round bales, came from the ravine, and popped in the strut and walked right through here to the decoy. And I was looking over this way. Oh my gosh. What a way to end it. That was crazy. I had a tough time trying to get my camera balanced, but we got it taken care of finally. What a turkey. What 2020, 2021, like the deer season, the turkey season. This has been incredible. You know, I can't thank Slavas enough for letting me come up here and hunt. And this is a goal that I had. I wanted to shoot a turkey from an elevated stand. I'd never done that before, and we just did it. And it was really cool. I think next time I hunt like this, I'm gonna have a bow. I did it with a gun, and now I think I want to do it with a bow. That would have been a perfect opportunity, because the way he was strutting, I would have had time to draw and everything. That was cool. It's not even, what time is it? 6:25 in the morning. I never heard that thing gobble. I just got up here not too long ago because I was a little late. I got happy juice running through the blood right now, along with a lot of coffee. But let's go check this bird out. I'm pumped. Yes, yes. There he is. Here he is, everybody. This bird put on a show for us. I wanted to let him keep going for a little bit, but I didn't know once he knocked him down how he'd act. Knocked that decoy down. So once he started playing and then he stretched his neck out real far like that, I'm like, well, time to let him have it with the XRs, and I did. But what an awesome hunt, you know. I knew this bird was up here. It's actually one of the last ones left, and this bird would most of the time roost across the road. And I knew every once in a while, you know, it seemed like once every 4 or 5 days, he would roost over here on this side, right here on top of the hill. And I just needed to catch him, you know, the day that he was here. And you know, yesterday morning I never heard him gobble. This morning I never heard him gobble, but I got here pretty late, and I just said, well, I'll set this decoy up out here because I know these birds really like this buckwheat. They've been out here, tons of pigeons out here, you know. I knew that this is an area that if he was over here that he would end up in the morning. It was the only difference was a matter of whether or not I could be here, you know, before I had to go to work if he'd get here in time. And this morning, everything just worked out. I was watching that Jake over in the edge of the woods over here, and I had the window open, and next thing you heard was right next to the hunting shanty right here behind me in the hayfield. I'm like, well, I think I know what that was. And I peeked my head up over, and here he'd come full strut right up the edge of the field. And I had the camera over in that other window, so I moved the camera over and got it on the decoy, and he bowled right up to this Jake decoy, and he had some hens coming behind him. I could hear the hens yelping and stuff. But what an awesome hunt, what an awesome season. You know, I'm really fortunate to have the opportunity that I have. I don't take it for granted being able to come over here to Pennsylvania and hunt on my buddy's property. Him and his father do a lot of work up here, and you know, I can't thank them enough for letting me come and hunt. You know, I've had more fun over the years up here. This is really a really special property. I really enjoy being up here, and can't thank them enough for letting me come up here and do what I love. And you know, for the whole turkey season, I had an unbelievable turkey season. You know, last year I killed two birds in New York, 2 birds in Pennsylvania. This year I killed two in both states, and you know, next year I think I'm going to challenge myself a little more with the bow. I think I'm going to try to, if I can, I want to kill a bird in New York with a bow, and I want to kill a bird in Pennsylvania with a bow. So this would have been a perfect opportunity to have my bow. You know, with the way that he came up to this decoy and then he spun around full strut, I would have had time to draw and everything. But that's something for next year that I'm kind of looking forward to. But man, I really want to thank everybody for following me along throughout the turkey season. You know, I want to thank all the patrons of the channel that really make this stuff possible. You know, without you guys, we certainly wouldn't be able to afford all this camera equipment and put all the time and effort into these that we do. So I can't thank you enough. And I know a bunch of you guys were asking about hats and t-shirts. We just got a big order of both in. So all you have to do is email KayleeSheldon10@gmail.com, and then she'll send you an invoice. Once you pay the invoice, she'll ship out all the hats or t-shirts that you guys bought. So I'm on cloud 9 right now. I think it's time we go show this off to Slava, and then we head over to Timmy Ho Ho's and get us ourselves a celebratory cup of coffee, even though I just guzzled a whole pot. Here pretty soon I could just start flying away like this turkey would have liked to have. Man. And whoever commented about the lucky hat, I think you're onto something. This is no longer just my turkey hunting hat, this is my lucky hat. Because as soon as I started wearing this hat this year, my luck did a total turnaround. And so I started killing birds once I started wearing this hat. So I'm on cloud 9, everybody. I also wanted to mention I have a discount code for all the TideWe products, and they make an awesome turkey vest. This is the vest that I've been wearing all turkey season. It's got this stiff backing, lots of padding in the back, tons of pockets. It's been a great vest, and one that I would certainly highly recommend. I'll put a link in the description to that with the discount code. And I'll show you this buckwheat that Slava planted, that these turkeys are all coming out here, and I think they're just picking these leaves off. There's a bunch of oats that are intermingled with them too, so they might be chewing or munching on those oats as well. I'm not really sure. You have all these little, like that's a buckwheat seed right there. I wonder if they're eating those too, because there's a bunch of those laying around here. That's what that is. I don't know if they're just buckwheat seeds that didn't germinate, or yeah, it doesn't look like some of them germinated, so maybe that's what they're eating too. I don't know what exactly it is, but I'll tell you, the turkeys like it out here. Let's go ahead and get this bugger packed out of here and get and breast it up. Well, I was not the only one with the Tim Hortons idea. Luckily, we have plenty of time to get our cup of coffee and get to work still this morning. No, thanks.
Have a good day.
You too. We're going to run this turkey over to show my nephew, Benny. He's home from Arizona, and I don't think he's ever seen a dead turkey before, so he's about to. Is Ben up yet?
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
Got a turkey to show him.
Get out of here right now.
You don't want on video, Megan?
Megan told me you were coming. Good morning, honey.
You don't need to impress anybody on here.
Company.
I hear him.
Oh, this will be cute. He hasn't seen our wild turkey. So you had a good morning, Cliff?
Yeah, it was awesome.
I'm gonna just stop this here, Meg.
Is Uncle Cliff?
Hey, Ben. I got something to show you out there.
He's got something to show. He says cheese.
Oh, okay. Smiling for the camera?
Smiling for the camera. Let's go check this turkey out, Ben.
What's Uncle Cliff gonna show you? Yeah. What is this? What's that?
What's this, Ben? What's the turkey say? Gobble gobble?
What is that? Is that a turkey?
What's that, feather?
Is that a turkey? Oh my goodness.
What do they say, Ben? What's a turkey say?
Say gobble gobble gobble. Is that a turkey? I don't think he quite realizes that.
Turkey! Megan's a little camera shy this morning. I guess I should introduce you guys. This is Nat, and that's my sister Megan, and this is my little nephew Benny. They're home from Arizona, so Ben don't get to see all my critters usually. Oh, he gets to see them over pictures and stuff and over video, but not in real life. What do you think of that, Ben?
That's
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I'll give everybody a little spoiler alert. I'm going on an elk hunt with Nat in November, so you're going to get to see that, and we're really looking forward to that. That's going to be awesome. I've never been elk hunting before, so it's going to be a new experience.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a lot like turkey hunting, people say, just with elk, so if it's anything like turkey hunting, we should do pretty good.
Yeah. Papa's sleeping.
Papa's sleeping? Why don't you go wake him up?
Uncle Cliff should go wake up Papa with a turkey.
We should go kiss him with a snood.
This is a nice one.
Yep.
Wow. Look at that, Benny. Look at.
He's like, that thing is ugly.
He's dead. Is the turkey dead?
Did Cliff get a turkey?
Papa's sleeping.
He is awfully worried about what Papa's doing, isn't he?
Well, that's a nice one. Did you just
Yep.
get him this morning?
Yep. Just got him.
Here, you come with
You want
Nana?
to go with Nana for a minute?
Say, way to go, Cliff.
Yep.
Go.
I gotta get to work.
Nice work.
Yep.
Turkey for dinner tonight, huh?
You got it. We've been eating a lot of turkey.
Yeah, it's been a good spring.
It's
See ya,
tasty
honey.
though. See ya, Mom.